In this video, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to add the website plugin to your website. And so the plugin for your website that allows clients to do instant estimates through your website is the Snippet. So you click on Snippet, and it's extremely easy. So here is the little piece of code that you just have to copy and paste on your website that then puts this on your website. So you literally copy it. That piece of code is your code and allows you to have all of your pricing and no one else is on your website. And then you can send that to your web developer, or if you're like us as a company and you do it yourself, it's extremely simple, and I'm going to show you how to do it on WordPress. So now that I've copied it, I would go to the page where I'm going to be setting it up at, and so then setup being plugin and snippet, I'm setting up this page for a website. For WordPress, we use a system called Elementor to make our website look cool. So it is loading real quick. And when I say it's easy, guys, I cut grass, and this is the thing myself and the developers argued with the most, because they did not understand how I said, like, I am dumb. It needs to be as simple as copying and pasting, and that is how we made it. So here is the landing page for showing you guys how to set it up, and this is where the video is going to go. So then you literally just drag and drop in Elementor/WordPress what you need. And so since it's an active piece of code on your website, you need to find something called an HTML box. So on Elementor, you just scroll down and you find this box right here. You drag it on. Sorry. There we go. And then, ta-da, there's your box. And it will actually like go to whatever it should look like, everything else. And then to show you how it shows up on my company, again, I am Precision Cut Lawn Service. So on our website, this is what it looks like. It's literally right there, easy peasy. Then also, I'm going to now show you a really cool feature to the snippet that most guys don't know, and we're going to go into even more detail. So there's a spot up here called Edit Snippet. We really suggest you not doing this often at all, or if you have a technology or web person, you can allow them to do it. The only reason I say it is when you edit the snippet, you can change a lot. And it's coder friendly, it is not user friendly. Because again, I am dumb, I own a lawn care company, and so you literally get to set up what the font is, how the background color works, how the width works, everything right here. And that is very dangerous because if you don't know what you're doing, you can screw stuff up. But here is everything, right? And so everything's customizable. But here's the real power to you guys. So I'm going to show you my company. If you notice, there's only one red star. I only require address. You guys can require whatever you want in your snippet. Oops, there we go. You can require whatever you want. So when you're requiring, you can either have a display if you want to capture it, but you can make it to where they have to fill out all information or only the contact information so you can contact them in the future. Or we as a company try to make it as easy as possible. We only require their address. We don't require any of this. And if you see you can't remove address, that's on purpose. The service estimator, since it's satellite based, it does not work if you don't require them to put an address in. But you can require them to put a name, you can require them to put in their email, you can even require them to put the grass height or the fence size. We just don't recommend a grass height or fence size being required because most homeowners do not understand it. After you do your modification, you click update, and then your snippet will change to whatever you and your company wants it to be.